Radishes, radishes, radishes.
We grow them in Oregon. We eat them in school. We love to eat the vegetable
Radishes.
root vegetables.
Radishes. They're more fun to eat than they are to juggle.
Radishes are root vegetables.
Radishes.
Can you say radish?
No.
There's such a variety of radishes. There's not just red ones, but there's white ones. There's ones that look like watermelon. There's black ones, daikon. There's a ton of different radishes.
This is the adult and this is the baby.
So when we think of a typical plant, that plant will usually come from a seed. When you plant that seed into your garden, it'll grow into a plant, and that plant will have these different parts on it. There are 5 different parts to the radish plant. There's the root, there's the stem, there's the leaves, there's the flowers, and the fruit. But we eat the root. This is the root.
This, the part that you eat, is actually the root.
They're root vegetables.
Huh. What does that mean?
Root vegetables mean that they grow in the ground and you actually eat the root as part of the vegetable.
You don't eat the stem part, but you do eat this.
Did you get a stem?
Do you guys like radishes? Do you guys like radishes? You guys like radishes? Radishes are awesome.
You ready to cut these?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna cut it open and see what the inside looks like. White.
It's white.
White inside.
It's a red side.
What color's the outside?
Red.
You wanna take a bite?
Yeah.
So we washed these in the inside sink to make sure they're nice and clean. And we've cut them open and we're gonna take a little taste. Do you love how it tastes? Yeah. Radishes are pretty yummy, huh?
Yeah.
Radishes are a good healthy snack, aren't they?
Spicy, crunchy, crisp. Spicy, crunchy, crisp. They taste like radishes. Try one and find out. Radishes are super easy to grow. They're easy to grow. They're in most school gardens in Oregon. You don't even need a big fancy garden. You can grow them right here on the patio.
My name is Julie, and this is Braden, and today we're going to be planting radishes. So we're going to start with an empty plastic cup, and Braden's going to take this over to the garden and fill it full of soil for us. Can you take this over? We'll go fill it up. So just go ahead and take handfuls and fill your cup up. We're going to use dirt to plant our radishes in, and this is some nice garden topsoil. And we're going to take this and water it just a little bit to get it nice and wet for our radish seeds to germinate. All right, go ahead and sit down and we'll start planting. Radishes are a really easy plant to grow. They take about 45 days, and we're planting them today because they are a root vegetable. Braden, can you put 3 seeds in that cup? And can you poke them down just a little bit? So can you take those and put them in your cup? Whoa! Little deeper, push it down a little bit more. Push, push, push. Perfect, right there. So we're gonna cover these seeds up with about a 1/2 inch of soil, and then we're going to water them in so they can start growing. Do you think you can carry it? It's a big can for a little cup. Perfect. So we don't want to water them too much because we don't want the seeds to drown. That looks perfect. Do all plants need water, Braden?
Yeah.
Yep, all plants need water to grow. Do all plants need dirt to grow?
Soil.
Yep, usually they all need dirt to grow. We have our dirt in our cups, and we've planted our radish seeds, and we've watered them in. And when you plant about 3 seeds, you can cull them to just 1 radish per cup, because 1 should grow in your container. when you cull them, it means you choose the healthiest plant and you take the other ones out. That would be a great healthy radish. Ah. This is the root, so it would grow down. This is where the stem was, so it would go up, just like that. Perfect.
Radishes. 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 Radishes.
To learn more about
Radishes.
search Oregon Harvest for schools.